As we look toward the September 2026 event, the conversation surrounding the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shifting from speculation to a clearer picture of what will likely define Apple's next-generation rugged wearable. Supply chain reports and analyst notes indicate that this model is being positioned as the most significant update to the product line since its debut in 2022. The most prominent change centers on a physical redesign. For users who have found the previous titanium models too bulky for sleep tracking or daily wear, the upcoming model is expected to introduce a chassis that is roughly 15% thinner than the current version. This reduction in volume is designed to enhance ergonomics and comfort, making the device feel less cumbersome during long-term use while maintaining the robust titanium build and flat sapphire glass that have become synonymous with the Ultra identity. Underneath that slimmer titanium shell, the internal architecture is undergoing a complete reorganization to support new health technologies. The most notable development is a transition to an 8-sensor ring array on the back of the device. By distributing these sensors in a ring pattern, rather than using the traditional concentrated disc, the design aims to improve skin contact consistency. This hardware change is critical because it supports more precise tracking for heart rate, blood oxygen, and potentially more advanced biometric analysis. This refined sensor layout is being integrated to provide cleaner data for athletes and health-conscious users who rely on accurate metrics for training and recovery. Regarding health features, the focus for the Ultra 4 is on proactive health monitoring rather than just fitness tracking. While rumors regarding non-invasive blood glucose monitoring have been frequent, current analyst consensus suggests that while the technology is being developed, it is not yet ready for mass market release in this generation. Instead, the watch is expected to focus on blood pressure trend monitoring. This system is designed to identify baseline shifts and abnormal patterns over time, providing users with actionable insights into their cardiovascular health. This move represents a shift toward using the watch as a sophisticated tool for preventative health management, aligning with Apple's broader strategy in the premium wearable market. Powering these features is the new S12 system-in-package. Built on a more advanced manufacturing process, the S12 is engineered to increase efficiency and responsiveness. The goal is to support the increased computational demands of watchOS 27 and the deeper integration of Apple Intelligence without sacrificing battery life. Apple is expected to maintain the multi-day endurance that the Ultra series is known for, aiming for consistency in daily reliability even with more sensors active. This efficiency gain is vital for users who depend on the watch for GPS-intensive activities or continuous health monitoring throughout the day and night. Display technology is also receiving an update, with reports pointing toward a screen that utilizes thinner bezels to maximize usable space within the existing footprint. While the overall size remains comparable to the 49mm casing, the integration of new display materials is expected to improve brightness and clarity, especially in challenging outdoor environments. The interface will likely lean into watchOS 27's updated metrics and more dense, information-rich watch faces that take advantage of the refined display, ensuring that data is readable at a glance during extreme sports or everyday commutes. The question of biometric security, specifically the inclusion of Touch ID, has been a subject of significant debate. While internal references have suggested Apple explored fingerprint authentication for future wearables under the code name Apple Mesa, current reports indicate that the company is prioritizing the hardware redesign and sensor array for this generation. The existing methods for wrist-based authentication remain the primary secure access point for now. The device is expected to continue supporting advanced connectivity features, including improved cellular reception and satellite SOS capabilities, which are essential for the adventure-oriented demographic the Ultra line targets. Furthermore, the integration of 64GB of storage is expected to become the new baseline standard. This is a strategic move to accommodate the growing needs of users who download massive, high-resolution offline topographic maps for remote navigation and significant libraries of high-fidelity music for long-duration expeditions, without needing an active cellular connection. When considering the positioning of the Ultra 4, it is clear that Apple is aiming to bridge the gap between a specialized sports tool and a versatile everyday smartwatch. By addressing the physical bulk while simultaneously upgrading the sensor array and chip efficiency, Apple is crafting a device that appeals to both high-performance athletes and professionals who prioritize long-term health monitoring. This iteration represents an evolution of the product's philosophy, focusing on the refinement of the existing rugged foundation rather than a complete departure from its core identity. Pricing remains a key consideration, especially given the rising costs of advanced sensor components and premium manufacturing processes. Analysts expect the price to remain within the established high-end bracket, likely ranging between $799 and $899, reflecting the specialized hardware and increased data precision. As the September launch approaches, expectations are set for the Ultra 4 to serve as a benchmark for wearable technology in 2026. The device is expected to arrive alongside the new iPhone 18 lineup, continuing the tradition of synchronized ecosystem releases. For those currently waiting to upgrade, the combination of a slimmer, more comfortable profile and the significant upgrade to the sensor architecture makes this a notable update to monitor closely as the official details emerge at the upcoming Apple event. Beyond the hardware itself, the software integration within watchOS 27 will likely introduce deeper AI-driven health insights, transforming how we interpret our body's recovery metrics on a daily basis. As we approach the final weeks before the launch, the excitement within the community is palpable. Beyond the core hardware improvements, there is significant anticipation regarding how the new sensor array will integrate with third-party athletic applications. By providing developers with access to this higher-density, more precise data stream, Apple is effectively opening the door for a new generation of fitness coaching algorithms that were previously limited by the capabilities of earlier sensor iterations. This shift is particularly important for endurance athletes who monitor subtle variations in heart rate variability and blood oxygenation during multi-hour efforts. Furthermore, the environmental durability of the watch is expected to see subtle but meaningful refinements. While the rugged titanium build remains the industry gold standard, rumors suggest the inclusion of new sealing technologies that could extend the dive depth capabilities even further, or at least improve reliability during high-pressure water sports. For the extreme sports enthusiast, these incremental gains are often the deciding factor in choosing a professional-grade wearable. With the upcoming release, Apple is effectively doubling down on the Ultra moniker, proving that the device is not just a marketing term but a reflection of the watch's capability to withstand the most demanding environments on the planet. From deep-sea diving in low-visibility conditions to high-altitude mountaineering, the hardware improvements are all geared toward removing the limits of what a consumer smartwatch can achieve, ultimately setting a new standard for what it means to be truly equipped for the unknown.